Josh, I'm gonna call this the APC ferry. Alright, stay on. No, I want you to actually get on top so we can actually move. Now, if you look to your right, there is a village right there of steps. We can easily board right there, but I can't turn. If you look to your left, you can see the library right there, and some trees. And if you look behind us, there's a blue guy following me. I feel kind of scared. And if you look in front of us, we're about to hit a concrete wall. Thank you, have a nice day. Yeah. I'm actually trying to freaking hold that. I'm like stealing like, I don't know. There we go. There we go. I'm trying to load this up back up on land. If I can get this thing to turn. Ah, dude, I finally got it. I got the controls down. Dude, what happened to everyone? Oh my god, we're like right here and we can't go up them. What's going on? Oh. I made it. Oh my god, dude, that was funny. Hold on, dude. Let's do something else funny. Let's do something else. Let's do something else cool with this. Yeah, it's still going. Yeah, it's still going. Wait, let me check. Yeah, it's still going. It's 2 minutes already. I'm not gonna. Yeah. Once my arm accidentally pressed the load button. Ah, crap. I'm gonna be on all night. Hold on. If you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want to play with me on Grand Theft Auto at nypd-chief. Chief is spelled backwards and all in cap locks. I'm on PS3 only, and if I said I have too many friends, then if I have too many friends, just leave me a message. If you want to add my friend, the blue guy, his online ID is bigblock3509, all lowercase. Or you can add his NYPD account, NYPD Corporal, and I'll tell you the difference. And I'll leave that in the description below. Have a nice day.